Today's video, I'm going to show you how to jump start your Ford Maverick. NOCO GB150 jump box. You can find this in the tagged products down below.
Start back up.
Oh yeah? What's it doing when you're trying to start it? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and pop the hood and I'll pull that thing twice. Yeah, you got to pull it twice.
I'm talking.
Okay. Try it. See what it does. All right, put the hood prop rod up right here where that arrow's at, and then under here is your jump point. Positive is right there. It usually has that red cover on it, but that brass colored metal is your positive, and then your negative is this guy over here, that piece of metal sticking out of the fender. And yeah, you'll need a new battery if it doesn't have a if it jumps. And we'll test it here in a second and see. All right, so we got the positive connected and the negative. We can see it's got 6 volts, so it's definitely a dead battery.
Yep.
All right, go ahead and start it up. It should start up. There you go. Let me just turn our box off. Disconnect our positive and then our negative. How did it die? It just died on its own, right? You didn't leave anything on? What year's the truck? Yeah, and it's 2026 now, so it's about time for a new battery. Yeah, just get a new battery. It should be good. Yes, sir. Have a great day. Take care. There you go. That's how to jump start your Ford Maverick using the NOCO GB150 jump box. You can get this jump box and any other jump box down in the tagged products down in the description. You can also use a set of jumper cables on this vehicle, even though it is a hybrid. So hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give me a like and a thumbs up and drop me a comment and all that good stuff, and you'll see me on the next one.